Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? It's been a while. I didn't come in front of the camera. Yeah, I'm trying to get better at it. So there's an exciting news. I put together a workshop. It's called SIAH Tool Workshop. It's basically skills, insecurities, assets, and hurts. And what it does is it gives a roadmap and a blueprint to design the quality of your life. That's what it's all about. You after the workshop, at the end of the workshop, you'll walk out with a blueprint of roadmap designed by you, envisioned by you, and I will be guiding you to design and build this blueprint. That's the whole concept of this workshop. And the background of this workshop, it goes, way behind 2017, I guess, when I started riding around the world. I met tons and tons of people, people from different walks of life, people close to their deathbed, and a lot of experiences and a lot of interactions. One thing was very prominent that people were stuck in one of these four aspects of life, like skills, insecurities, hurts, or assets. And I tried to figure out a way to present this in the form of a tool so that people can benefit from it. And I've worked on it for the past 6 months and built it and refined it. And a lot of people have given good comments and feedback about this tool. So I'm going to offer this to you on the 24th of September. So please come and be part of it and work out with the blueprint of your quality of life.